Looking to enhance safety at your home or workplace? Your search ends here. Introducing Secure Netting, your ultimate destination for all safety net installations. We take immense pride in delivering top-notch balcony safety nets, pigeon safety nets, children's safety nets, monkey safety nets, cat safety nets, green, white, and black shade nets, coconut tree safety nets, construction safety nets, mosquito nets, sports nets, anti-bird spikes, anti-bird nets, baby safety net for staircase, balcony invisible grills, duct area safety nets, closed drying hanger, industrial safety nets, and much more. At Secure Netting, we primarily cater to customers in Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur, Goa, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Kakinada, Rajahmundry, and various other locations across India. If you are in need of any safety net installation services, we've got you covered. Our commitment to safety knows no bounds, and we are ready to serve customers nationwide. At Secure Netting Safety Nets, customer satisfaction remains our topmost priority. Rest assured, we offer 24/7 service availability, swift and efficient installations, along with an impressive 10-year warranty on all our products. Your loved ones and employees deserve the safest environment, and we are committed to providing just that. So, why compromise on safety? Choose Secure Netting today and experience the peace of mind you truly deserve.